Tony the Technician Show, and today we're just going to quickly go through my garage setup. Now that my dad has dropped everything off, I have everything here, so I can start doing more reviews, stuff like that. Whatever tools you want me to do a review on, go ahead and let me know. If you haven't checked out my toolbox tours, go ahead and check those out. Got a big list of videos. Also, a lot of Camaro videos to come. But besides talking, I'm just going to quickly run you guys through this. I got to get to work, and by the time this video is uploaded, I'll probably be on the road. So thank you guys so much for watching, and wait for the announcement of the gift giveaway winner. Thank you guys. Okay, starting from the left side of the garage, you guys might have seen in the background all my flags. This is kind of how I have them mounted. It'll do for now. So I mounted that right there by the door. Vacuum, here's the Launch X431 torque scanner that I will be doing a review on. Got part of a blower from work that is no longer good, so we use it as garage art. I'll also have a firewall probably hanging up over there or something. So got my overflow toolbox cabinet there. Got my mini fridge. Ooh, speaking of that, need a little go-go juice. And then moving on, we have the main toolbox, which you guys are familiar with probably. It's the 52-inch Husky flat black toolbox. Flooring's not quite as nice in this garage, but it's still a good sized garage, so I'm happy with it. Next to it, my Matco service cart. Let's see if I got the keys on me or not. I do indeed. And this time it's not tools on the ground or a video of an empty cart. This time I will be doing a video on both toolboxes, so you guys know exactly what I have. Yes, I have doubles of some things, but that's okay. I'll figure out what I need, what I don't need now that I have a job that doesn't require me to have my own tools. I don't probably need this many tools, but hey, who doesn't love tools? So here we are. I got my chemical shelf and everything over here. The New Air fan. America. And then all my new Camaro parts. So lots of stuff to install, lots of stuff to do. And that's just a quick look at my garage setup as of right now. I'm sure it'll change a couple times, but. Alrighty, YouTubers, so that's a quick look at my garage setup. Not done. Got some fine tuning to do, but I will be releasing a video on, some toolbox tours just so you guys can see these next to each other and everything. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys are having a great week, and thank you guys all for your support. And I'll be announcing the winner of my 7,000 sub gift giveaway here soon, even though we're almost at 8,000 now. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.